Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing great out there. If you're new here, please hit subscribe below. It helps me out a lot. And click the little bell next to it and have it say all so you'll be notified of my future uploads. The manicure I have on, I'm sorry I didn't film it, but it's basically products from the last two videos that I did with Born Pretty. The Born Pretty pens and the Born Pretty gel polish and a few little added doodads. But today I'm going to do a black design that I saw on Nailcou. Her name is Anastasia. She has a channel in Russian called Nailcou. So Nailcou's the shortened version for those of us that are English speaking. She used a black gel polish and a top coat to acquire this look. I'm thinking to give base coat a try because I have a lot of base coats. I don't use them that often. So I'm just going to, I've dotted a little bit here on my palette. I've got my bottle. I'm going to open it because you keep both of these uncured. You keep them uncured until you're ready to cure them. So basically the design is done. I thought it was just fantastic. I want to give it a try. I'm hoping the base coat will work. Fingers crossed, everybody. So I'm using Model 1's Black Lava along with their base coat, hoping that it'll work. What she did was applied her gel polish to the black gel polish to half of the nail. This has already been base coated in. And then apply some base coat down here. She used top coat, so I'm not sure if this is going to work, but hopefully it does. And she just kind of blended these together. To get kind of like a see-through black at the bottom. I think I put too much gel polish on, or base gel on, so just wiping some off onto a sponge. Yeah, I believe I put too much of the light stuff on. So we'll go back through. It was designed to be a sheer look, but I'm going to try to put a second layer near the top. Get that area a little bit more. There we go. I think I've done it now. These nails have been sitting here base coated up for weeks. And they got little fuzzies in them I need to get out. I wiped them off with alcohol, but apparently my alcohol, my lint-free wipe, must have had lint in it. The idea is to just get this end a clear look, but still have some dark in it. I think I'm making this harder than it is. I'm going to try this again and then take some of the base gel, just get a little blob and stick it where you want it to go. She recommends doing small and big, various sizes for various looks. And depends on the size of your nail, right? And if you accidentally touch the gel polish that's kind of black, you'll need to wipe off your brush before you dip it back into the gel polish. But so far I haven't touched it. Knock on wood, fingers crossed. That is cool. It does work with base gel. Didn't have enough on there. Don't touch your brush down, just touch the gel polish down. Ooh, I really like that. That is cool. I bet this will look gorgeous in a few other colors, as well as many stamping on it. or stickers. Let me give this a cure in my lamp real quick before I lose that. Okay, here it is, fresh out of the lamp. I think I just want it a little more opaque right here. So I'm gonna carefully try to go in and just put just a very light layer of the black gel polish. And then kind of feather it down into the other area to make it just a little bit more darker. But don't cover up my beautiful bubbles. I love them. Can give this another minute cure, and then I'm going to try this again. Maybe I'll be a little bit easier to understand after I've done it a couple times. Okay, I'm going to try it again. Let's see if I can perfect my technique a little bit more. If this is your real nail, you'd be just pushing it up to the cuticle area. Getting a little bit more even on the sides would help. Wipe off my brush a little bit because I went a little crazy with the top coat last time. And you don't have to quite touch the top coat. If you do, you may want to wipe off your brush onto something because otherwise you'll have black in your clear. And we'll just feather this down. Brush got a little wonky on me. Just had to wipe it off a little bit. Just feathering it down. You can put it against something to see how the feathering looks. Something clear or white so you can see how much black the black looks. Now I seem to have enough on top, except I skipped this little spot right here. So we'll just put a nice little coat right there. Okay, now let's see. Again with the base gel. Last time I put a big blob like near the top. I'll put one in the middle. Try to do my bigger little dots first. Kind of fill in the space and then do the littler dots. I love this. This is a cool trick. Let's see if we get it right over the black. A little bit more over. It's not quite solid black. See, you can't really see right there, but you can kind of see. So I'm gonna do a couple right into the black area. It's like half see-through, 3/4 see-through. Had a bubble in there, so I'm trying to pop the bubble. It's not quite as noticeable, but if you let it sit, you can see it. Definitely cool. So I'm gonna give this a cure, do up one more, and then I'll come back and do some art on top of these as well. Okay, here's how they look. They're top coated, and I don't feel the bubbles at all. But I decided that I want to put some gems and some stickers on there, make them a little bit Halloweenish. I don't normally do a lot of Halloween, but I want to do some gems at least. But maybe, I believe I got these from Yayoji. I'm not sure at this point. It's been over a year. I want to put a couple of crosses on here. Let's see if I can manage to line this one up. I have long fingernails. Working on another nail is crazy. They're a lot longer than I normally wear my nails. It's not on there perfectly straight. With it not being on your finger already, it's really hard to tell if you've got them lined up. It's a little bit easier when it's on your finger. It's on a stand. It's really, really hard to tell. Maybe something a little spooky over here. A hand, a tree. Let's try the tree. And the base up where I want it. Ooh, I kind of like it off center like that. And push it down so there's no air bubbles. I'm gonna do a little hand. So I do want to still do gems. This creepy little hand. I'm trying to make it look like he's creeping up to grab my gems. Of course, I'm going to top coat all these in, but I want to put my gems on real quick. This is what, because it's such a heavy gem. I have him trying to grab. You know what? Should I turn around? Yeah, turn around. There he goes. He's grabbing for my gem. Let me put one more over here. Oh, I don't like. I'll do 3. If I can hold them on. As soon as I get into the nail lamp, it'll be fine. But make sure they're in position when you get it in the nail lamp. That gem's actually messed up. That goes in the reject pile. I'll fish it out of there after the video. So I'm gonna give all these a top coat and cure, and I'm gonna come back with some reveal pictures at the end of the video. Thank you, Anastasia from Nailcou, for this cool idea. Everyone have a great day. Thanks for being with me. Till next time, you be you, and I'll be me. Bye bye.